There's a dog just right over there, distracting me. Okay, don't laugh. Hi, I'm Bas, and Fujifilm sent me these two boxes, which contain lenses, I hope, to review. So let's do it. So let's start with the first one, the 18 to 55 MK series. So these are both E-mount lenses, which mean that they go onto a Sony A7 or, for example, an FS7. And they're really meant to, when I look at the marketing, they're really meant to be a step up to DSLR glass, for example. So this is the first one, an 18 to 55. It's actually quite light, I'd say. So good range, 18 to 55, you'll manage a lot. And yeah, it's the typical E-mount system. And I see a nifty macro button, which I'm dying to try actually. Really nice gearing, and overall it feels really solid. So let's take a look at the other one. Now I think they have made a very good range of lenses, so that you need only two to really get a really wide variety of focal lengths. Now let's take a look. This one's packed a bit better. And this is the 50 to 135. Really nice range as well. Actually, feels quite similar to the other one. So if I have them both, you see there's not really much of a difference. I think these two lenses will be very nice for documentary, for example, and if you really need to have a parfocal lens. So you have the DSLR glass, you need to focus on whatever focal length you are. For this, you focus once, it's sharp at the same distance. So looking forward to testing these. See you soon.